Well, I saw this gun on YouTube, and I just had to have it. So I downloaded it and printed it, and this is what it does. So uh, I choose different colors than the guy. I just basically went with a bunch of colors. Even this side looks different than this side. It's just to make it more personal. The other thing I did is I made this one in gold, and on the back over here, I just thought it was going well with this type of a gold here or whatever brass, whatever color you would call this one. It looks kind of a brownish, more than it's kind of like brown gold. So anyway, but it does a nice job, and it's a pretty gun. I just uploaded the video. It didn't have a sound on it, so I have to re-record it. I don't know what happened. Well, anyway, hopefully you like it and gives me a thumbs up, and you have a great day.